Did you notice that the sentiment score has spiked to plus 0.53, while momentum holds steady at 0? This is unusual. Typically, we expect momentum to reflect sentiment shifts, but not this time. This divergence suggests a potential shift in sentiment that could precede market movement. Our machine learning sentiment API analyzes this data and returns a comprehensive breakdown, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters. With 6 semantic clusters identified, you can dive deeper into specific themes driving this sentiment. Imagine using this insight to adjust your strategy proactively. For instance, if you're building a trading algorithm, you could leverage this spike to anticipate upcoming market trends before they materialize. To explore how you can integrate this into your application, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of sentiment together.